Do you want to turn off comments on Instagram Story? You can disable comments on Insta Stories with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn off comments on Instagram Story. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. Now, tap on the three-line menu icon in the top right corner of your profile. A new screen will appear. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section. Under this section, find and tap on Comments. Another screen will appear. Scroll down to the Story Comments section. Here, you will see three different options. Select Off to disable comments on your Instagram story. Once you've made your selection, the changes will be applied automatically. By following these simple steps, you can control who can comment on your Instagram stories or turn off comments altogether.